Hello! I just looked at him. Hello, everybody. Welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play. It is. It doesn't matter what it is. Just know it's me. And that's my friend. He will be playing for and the game's glitchy. Oh no, there we go. It's fixed. Alright, just leave it like that. And let's do this. Yes, we can't. We have to do this. We can't just lose this. This is going to be a series, and I hear a zombie right there, and I'm not gonna get close. Get away! Wait, what am I eating? Oh wait, no, I'm not. Die, ow, die. Wait, just go into the sun. Run! It's Godzilla! Oh, there's a zombie coming towards you. There you go, it's slowly dying. Somebody coming. Alright. I just looking some watermelons for food sources, of course. Golden watermelons. Good food idea, Minecraft. You need to listen. Got to listen up. Golden watermelons are gonna be the top thing in the hydration thing. So if they ever put a hydration update, the golden watermelon is going to be a really good water source. I'm a genius. Now let's get some of these. I don't really need them, but I want to make cookies. And then give it to a parrot so they can die. Oh, break. What can we do with three wood? So I can make 12 planks, one crafting table. Let's do 4 sticks. We can actually make an axe. It's not crazy, but hey. Oh, I thought that was my friend. A yiter, one of the most toxic chemicals known to man. Oh! That thing jumped at me. There you go. Ooh! Yay, I got string. Wait, what am I doing? Where's the pig? I saw the pig. Also, just to know this. No! Wait, what? I was about to tell you that there's no keep inventory. I die, and there's keep inventory. He put keep inventory, everybody. I did not do this. He was the one who put keep inventory. I don't really like putting keep inventory if you're like ever doing this like in front of people, because it just feels like you're cheating. I'm sure I like to cheat for some things, but not really much this, but sure, we can do this. It's okay. Get more watermelon. Wait, I need to check my mic. Like, No! Get away! No, creeper. There we go. What? What? I didn't even have to. Thank you. How did he? You know what? I'm not even gonna ask questions. I'm just here. Standing still. He's using the crafting table or something. Ow! Sorry. You're down over the mess. Alright. What? I don't have any wool for my respawn point. Go up! Oh! Yes, this is bedrock. Ah! Fall out. I don't know. So I lay here with my symptoms of sorrow. Blank. Ah! Ow. Rat! Rat! That's why I hate you. Sometimes. No battle to the death. I'ma get good. Okay. There you go. Let's keep on finding food. Yeah, we should probably start building a house. We should probably start building a house. So we can survive instead of having to dig 2 feet, like 3 feet underground, 3 blocks underground, and then hide for 7 minutes. I know it's 5, but it feels like 7 hours. So you're lucky that I even said 7. Okay, gotta make more ground to make the house. But, oh. Well, I guess this is also good ground to make a house. Oh, turtle! Alright, let's make some ground. Gonna take a and well, I was already right there, so you didn't really have to teleport me. That's kind of the use of a teleporter. Okay. And let's start building. Oh, wait, this one. This is. Were you trying to escape? Probably. That's how you hit one. Yeah, it's not that good. We're gonna do double doors. I like more double doors. Dumbledore! Ah, that sounded definitely weird. Okay. 9 minutes in. And then we're doing kind of good, and it's becoming dark time. 9 minutes in. Okay. Yep. We should probably. Oh, let's just stay here. Okay, we kind of wasted our wood doing that, but sure. Right. Whoa. What? Oh, trouble. I'm gonna. What should I do? Like dig around? Alright, it's time to finish. Yeah, we've gone pretty far. So, yeah, we're gonna stop the video here. and we'll see you all later. Goodbye.